think y'all already know. It's time for what? Another unboxing. Yes, I am wearing the sunny U-Rock shirt. It's nice and sunny outside. Anyway, DHL, fresh unboxing. Let's rip into it. But before I get to that, how y'all doing? You know, when these videos hit, I want y'all to like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Thank you. What? Oh, yeah. Took a little bit off the top. Gotta stay clean for this season. Kind of chilly outside. Well, it ain't that hot out here. It ain't that cold, should I say? Another peel-off session. Let's see what it be. Yes, sir. Fresh from who? Italy. Handcrafted in Italy. You already know. The magnetic flip top box. Another peel-off session. Let's see what's in here. Oh man, you already know. Look at that. Man, get you some lounge on, you know? Get your lounge on. I'm kidding me. Oh. Man, you gotta, man, look at that. You seen something like that. And it's a slide on, you know what I'm saying? Get your slide on in them. You ain't gotta worry about no strings and stuff. Just slide in them and go. Grippy all day. And that thing's textured. I was not expecting this myself. So you know they on the market. If I got them, you can get them. Rights and lefts. People be like, oh, is it one shoe in the box? Nah, man, stop being ignorant, you know? One shoe in the box. Who does that? I don't know, man. I think I'm kidding them. Look at that. Still grippy. Man, these things shining on them. Oh, man, I tell you. I amazed myself. You know what I'm saying? Do a nice little social, little get together with your peoples, you know, breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Or just kick it in the house, chilling with your fancies on. You know what I'm saying? Man, hold up. I gotta get a close of this. Look at that. Hope it ain't too close. So it ain't focusing all crazy. Man, I'm about to go put these on right now. You know what I'm saying? Look at that color scheme. Man, that thing is on point. That thing is on point. Man, 2022 here. You know what I'm saying? Cop something new. Do something different. Be you. You're okay. You rock. All right. You know what I'm talking about? fresh designs. You know what I'm saying? I'm just getting them. I'm doing it. I'm making stuff happen, man. I'm trying to get it done. You know what I'm saying? Leave a legacy for the babies, man. Babies are gonna be like, man, daddy did that. Yeah. Yeah, some for them too. Leave something for them. You know. It ain't just about us, man. It's about the babies. Leave the babies a legacy. Something they can do something with. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what it's saying now. Made in Italy. Hope y'all can see that. It's in there. It's in there. Another successful unboxing. You know what I mean? So, man, look here. I'll leave the links and all that. Y'all want to cop some? Hey, I appreciate everybody who supported me. You know what I'm saying? Supporting the franchise. Doing something different. You know? Gotta do something different. Shake it up. Shake the scene up. You know what I mean? Gotta love it. Classic pillar style. Be you. Be original. You are okay. You rock. You know? Don't let nobody tell you different. Don't follow nobody else's example. You know what I'm saying? You have your own mind. You gotta be what you want to be in this life. You gotta live your life, not them. You know? I learned that myself, man. That was a learning experience in myself, man. Constantly changing, constantly evolving, chameleon in this game, you know? You gotta change sometimes, man, to get stuff done. Can't be stuck out there one-dimensional. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do something different every now and then. Change it up. Let's do this 2002 thing, right? 2022, my fault. Brain just going all over the place. Got so many ideas up here, y'all don't even know. It's gonna be a good year. I feel it. 2022 is here. Let's make things happen. Peace.